And it goes a little something like
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Chai from Inertia with just another vlog. Today on this channel I make concert vlogs, travel vlogs, and unboxing fan merchandise. So if you're into these, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified on my next vlog. So for today's vlog guys, we will be unboxing this very limited edition of Petals for Armor. So by the way, in my past few vlogs I've already unboxed a lot of stuff from this album, and it's just one of my favorites. It's coming from one of my most favorite artists, which is Hayley Williams from Paramore. Now she came out with this lately. I told you on my last Petals for Armor vlog that that's gonna be the last merch that we will be unboxing for Petals for Armor, but I thought wrong. She came out with this new very limited edition self Serenades, which comes with just a very few of her songs from Petals for Armor. Actually, she only have 2 songs from Petals for Armor, which she have performed in a different version, which is an acoustic, and I love them a lot. Better than the original one. I really love Hayley when she sings in acoustic versions of their songs, way back with Paramore. Those songs that she, perform in acoustic, I love them so much. And good thing that she came out with this very limited edition Self Serenades, which came in 10-inch, just a 10-inch vinyl. So it's still different from, the box set, other vinyls that she came out with. This first solo album that she came out with, without the band. And again, this only have 3 songs. 2 of them came from Petals for Armor, which is Simmer and Why We Ever. Why We Ever is one of my favorites, by the way. Also Simmer, I like it very much. I didn't like it at first, but on this vinyl I'm loving it because again it's in acoustic. Then she came out with this new song, which is Find Me Here, and I'm loving it a lot. If I may say, it's my favorite now. Yeah. I've been listening to it non-stop ever since it came out, just a few weeks ago. So I'll show you an unboxing, a very quick unboxing of this vinyl. Again, it's very simple, it's very slim, it's just a single long playing vinyl, and it's 10 inches, so I'll also gonna play it after. So I'll go ahead and roll the unboxing now. So I've ordered a few of these for myself and for my friends, so hence you will see a couple of them on this box. So each box comes with 4 vinyls. That's the maximum that you can purchase in a single order, by the way. So we'll be unboxing one of these. So first off, what you can see is of course the cover. I would just like to say that the cover is very unique. It's a Polaroid picture, if I'm not mistaken, by Hayley Williams at her backyard with I'm not sure if it's a dinosaur or whatnot. Yeah, she have this very big, I don't know what it calls, but it's like an ornament on her garden. She's like hugging it on its head. The picture is not very clear, but I think I saw one online. It's a bit clearer than this. And yeah, that's the picture on this album. What you see at the back will be the tracks of this limited edition vinyl, which is again the acoustic versions of Simmer and Why We Ever from Petals, the original Petals for Armor album, and the brand new song that she came out with, which is Find Me Here. Next up, we'll be opening this now. So what you will see inside, so it has her picture with her sitting on her sofa. I think that's a stolen picture on her studio at home with her guitar, with her acoustic guitar, hence because she performed acoustic of her songs on this album. And at the back you will see some credits from, you know, everyone who got involved on this album. Yeah, so this came out with two sides, A and B, one on side A and two on the side B. Alright guys, that's just it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this very quick unboxing that we did for Self Serenades. Let me know what are your thoughts about this, and which one is your favorite? Which acoustic song is your favorite out of this album? So if again, if I hit my goal subscriber this year at 5,000, I'll be giving away limited edition items from my favorite artists such as Paramore or Hayley Williams. One of the limited items that I might give away will be this Self Serenades. By the way, it's very expensive now because it's already sold out. So yeah, just keep your subscription if you have friends or other co-fans from, you know, your favorite artists such as Taylor Swift, Paramore, to 1975, Lainey, and Blackpink. So apart from the Self Serenades, I'm also planning to give out Taylor Swift's Folklore Sign City and Blackpink Lightstick version 2. If you're into these artists, just keep your subscription. Ask everyone to subscribe to my channel so I can finally give them away. And yeah, that's just it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!
You are a summer and afterglow.